Welcome to another edition of the Warm-Up Show. Today we are going to talk about the best female players in Africa. We all know that there are so many stars playing their football in Africa, out of Africa. We just had the inaugural CAF Women's Champions League in Africa for the first time, won by Mamelodi Sundowns. And it was a fitting finale. After that, the Warm-Up Show decided who are the best players, female, in Africa. Our 11-team squad is available, but who do you think makes the cut? The answers after this commercial break. The Warm-Up Show chose 4-3-3 for the best women players in Africa. Goalkeeper, Chiamaka Nadozie, 21-year-old from Nigeria, the Super Falcons, who plays for Paris FC in France. Highlights of her career: she participated in the WAFU Women's Cup, participated in the African Games, which Nigeria won, participated in the African Women Cup of Nations in 2018, which Nigeria won, participated in the Women's World Cup in 2019 in France, and she came out fourth with her team, Paris FC, in the league competition and missed out on European club competition. Right back, Chidima Okeke, 21-year-old from Nigeria, plays for Madrid CFF. She's played already the Under-17 Women's World Cup, FIFA, the FIFA Under-20 Women's World Cup. She won the WAFU Women's Cup in 2019, participated in the Women's World Cup too in 2019, and she's been outstanding with Madrid CFF in the female Spanish Liga. Left back, Tisetso Makubela, 24-year-old from South Africa, who plays for Mamelodi Sundowns. She recently won the inaugural CAF Women's Champions League, and she's a Women's World Cup participant in France in 2019. Mamelodi Sundowns has been quite outstanding this year, and that's why she gets her spot in the left-back position. Esther Maikit, central defender, 24-year-old from Cameroon. She currently plays for Stade de Reims. She participated in the Women's World Cup in 2019, and she switched her allegiance from Canada to Cameroon, which made her eligible for Cameroon because she played for Canadian youth teams, under 15, under 17. But she has been outstanding with her French club Stade de Reims this year, 2021. Central defender Estelle Johnson, 33-year-old player from Cameroon, who plays with Gotham FC in New York. She participated in the Women's World Cup in 2019. Estelle Johnson is a player who fell in love with Cameroon after Cameroon participated in the 2015 Women's World Cup, and she did everything to switch her allegiance from the US to Cameroon before participating in the World Cup 2019, and she's looking forward to participating in the African Women Cup of Nations 2022. Defensive midfielder Esembeyu Akida. This is a 29-year-old player from Kenya, the Harambee Starlets, who is very versatile because she can also play as a forward, and she currently plays for PAOK, P-A-O-K in Greece, and she's participated in the African Women's Cup of Nations 2 times in 2016 and 2018. She has been performing quite well with her club, and she's looking forward to the African Women's Cup of Nations in 2022. Central midfielder Rasheedat Ajibade, the 22-year-old player from the Super Falcons of Nigeria, currently plies her trade with Atletico Madrid. She's a top scorer with the Nigerian Women's Premier League, that was in 2017. She won the WAFU Women's Cup in 2018, where she was the second highest goal scorer. and she participated in the Women's World Cup twice, in 2014 and in 2016. She also participated in the FIFA Women's World Cup Under 20 in 2016 and 2018. And for her young age, she's also participated in the African Women's Cup of Nations in 2018, which Nigeria won. Central midfielder Ngozi Okobi, 28-year-old from Nigeria. She plays for Finnish side Eskils Tuna United. She's a two-time participant FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup in 2008 and 2010. She has also participated in the FIFA Under-20 World Cup in 2012. She's a five-time African Women's Cup of Nations participant, 2010, 2012, 2014, 16 and 18. And she's won the tournament three times, 2014, 2016, 2018, because Nigeria are the current holders of the African Women's Cup of Nations. She's also participated two times in the FIFA Women's World Cup in 2015 and in 2019. She has been outstanding with her team, Eskils Tuna United, in the year 2021. Right wing forward, Chut Joya Ajara, 28-year-old from Cameroon, currently plies her trade for Inter Milan, where she switched from Atletico Madrid. Her career highlights are the fact that she participated in the Olympic tournament in 2012, twice participated in the FIFA Women's World Cup in 2015 and 2019. She was nominated for the FIFA Puskas Award 2019 for her goal during the FIFA Women's World Cup, an outstanding goal that she scored. She's a double winner with her former team, Vålerenga, in 2020. That she won the championship in 2020. She also won the cup in 2020, and she was the highest goal scorer for Vålerenga in 2020. She's participated four times already for the African Women's Cup of Nations, 2010, 2014, 2016, 2018. She was finalist with Cameroon in 2016. Then she was third place with Cameroon in 2018. And with Atletico Madrid, she won the Spanish Super Cup in 2021 before switching to Inter Milan. Left wing forward, Uchenna Kanu, 24-year-old from Nigeria, currently earned herself a transfer from Linkopings FC to the Mexican team Tigres UANL. Her career highlights are the fact that for Linkopings FC, she scored 22 goals for 42 appearances. She participated in the Under-17 Women's World Cup in 2014 and the Under-20 Women's World Cup in 2014. Striker Asisat Oshoala, which her peers call her Clarence Seedorf. The 27-year-old Nigerian currently plays for FC Barcelona. This is a player who has participated in the FIFA Under-20 Women's World Cup. She has participated three times in the African Women's Cup of Nations in 2014, 2016 and 2018. FIFA Women's World Cup 2015 and 2019. She has so many club and individual honors, but recently she has won the UEFA Women's Champions League 2020-2021, and she is rumored to surely win the BBC Footballer of the Year and maybe again adding her fourth African Player of the Year 2021. Asisat Oshoala certainly is the standout player for the women's team. She won the UEFA Champions League with her team Barcelona, the female version, and I think it was merited that she stands at the fulcrum of the attack line of the women's team. But tell us in the comment section, who do you think merits to be on this team if you don't agree with our selection? You are very free to help improve our team selection for next year if you like, share and subscribe.